Welcome back. Let us talk about another important trick. Why I am telling is trick because it's not a very straightforward feature available within Excel, but you can use this particular trick in some of the situations as per your requirement. I have a data set available in this particular tab. There are some name, class, section, and roll number. If you need to add one of the blank row after each of the row where data is there, right? One way of doing it, you can just select on any of the cell, you can go to home tab and you can go to insert and you can select on insert rows and you can do it. Currently we only have 10 rows of data, but what if you have thousands of line and you need to add one blank row after each of the rows where data is there, then what will you do? Let's see how we can achieve that. So to do that, let us first do one thing. Let us type 1 and 2 in these two cells. Then let me select these two cells and let me drag it down. Now I have 1 to 10 numbers here. If I select this entire range, then using Ctrl C, if I copy it, then if I click on this blank row and click Ctrl V to paste the same value. Now I have numbers in column A. If I select this entire range, all these numbers, and then go to home tab and I go to extreme right to find this sort and filter button and click on this little drop down and I click on sort smallest to largest. What it will do, it will sort all those numbers based on smaller number to larger number, right? Let me select on this particular option. Now one pop-up came, it's talking about do you want to expand this selection? What we'll do, we'll keep that option selected and we'll click on sort. Now we can see that one blank row got added after each of the row where data was there. This is kind of a trick, right? So we typed a number and against each of the number we added later, all subsequent blank rows were there. So if I press Ctrl Z another time, if you see all these 1 to 10 numbers were there where data was there in adjacent cells, right? But this next set of 1 to 10, it was not there. Now when we sorted this entire range, what it did, it sorted 1 1 then 2 2. So after one row of 1 where data was there, another blank row got added. So let's do that another time. If I click again and click on sort smallest to largest and I retain this selection and click on sort, then it will do it again. Now after that you can just delete this number. You have expected set of data without much of an effort. Hopefully this will help you to save some time when you will be working in MS Excel. Let's move to our next video where we'll talk about another feature of MS Excel.